Self-discipline is overrated. This is what actually builds success. Most people think success is about sheer willpower. Just push through, force yourself to be productive, and you will magically transform into a high achiever. Right? Not quite. The truth is, self-discipline burns out fast. What actually works? Tiny, effortless habits that snowball into massive results. Let's start with the 1-minute rule. If a habit feels overwhelming, shrink it down. Want to start journaling? Write one sentence. Want to get fit? Do a single push-up. Sounds too small to matter? That's the point. When something is ridiculously easy, there is zero resistance. And once you start, you are way more likely to keep going. Think of habits like compound interest. A 1% improvement every day doesn't seem like much until it stacks up. Over a year, that's 37x improvement. Now compare that to doing nothing. The difference is night and day. Another strategy: anchor new habits to existing ones. This is how your brain naturally learns patterns. You brush your teeth without thinking because it's ingrained in your routine. Want to build a reading habit? Attach it to your morning coffee. Want to practice mindfulness? Take 3 deep breaths every time you sit at your desk. By linking habits together, they stick effortlessly. Now let's talk about the 2-minute rule, a cheat code for beating procrastination. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Responding to a quick email, putting a dish in the sink, laying out workout clothes for tomorrow, it all adds up. These tiny completions build momentum, and before you know it, productivity feels automatic. And here is a trick that makes habits almost addictive. Celebrate tiny wins, not with a party, just a small, nice job in your head. That moment of positive reinforcement wires your brain to crave the habit, making it more likely to stick. The key is repetition, not motivation. But here's the real shift: identity-based habits. Instead of forcing yourself to do something, think about who you want to become. Want to run a marathon? Start by identifying as a runner, even if it's just putting on your running shoes for a minute. You are enforcing that identity. Small actions repeated consistently shape your self-image. And once you believe something about yourself, acting on it becomes second nature. The mistake most people make: they try to overhaul their lives overnight. They set massive goals, get overwhelmed, and quit. But the smartest approach: start so small it's impossible to fail. The habits that seems insignificant today, they are the ones that redefine your future.